Golf, next left turn if you can make it. At the seaplane raise, depart at your discretion and report a 2-mile pace. Twin clear to land on the yellow dot, set it on the numbers for me. Purple dot, set it on the numbers. Purple dot, well done. There you go. DC3 is at the island. DC3, 4 to 3 miles final. Nice job, guys. C6, you're good there on the yellow dot. Twin, put it down there.
Tower 110, Mike Victor, inbound on the visual, 36 left.
0 Mike Victor, how far out are you?
5 miles right now.
Call me in 2 months. Yellow T6, I appreciate that. Left turn when you can. And very nice job. Twin, you can turn the next left whenever you feel comfortable making that turn. 3, keep it flying all the way down to the yellow dot, please. Serious plan to put it down to the purple dot.
And Oshkosh Tower, good afternoon, TVM 850, Sierra Juliet with you for runway 36 left.
TVM, report a 3-mile final, please.
3-0.
Mentor, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
You see that smoke ahead to your left? Can you like widen out to the left?
That's Sierra Juliet, 3-mile final.
Sierra Juliet, only 36 left, clear to land on the yellow dot.
Hello, dot, 36 left, Sierra Juliet.
Aircraft calling for the direct and safe position.
Just about 4 miles outside the direction.
Okay, proceed to rip it and follow the procedure, sir. Sir.
I'll be 5 feet.
Runway, clear to land, light port. There you go, after this good race, turn off and get comfortable and get down. Right, we'll go be dropping off. Sirius, change to runway 36 right and clear to land on the red square. That's that red square, Sirius.
Mustang flight at Gallen.
Mustang, Roger, report a 3-mile initial.
We'll report a 3-mile initial. Mustang flight. See all the way to the end of the round.
36 right, keep it rolling all the way to the end. Slowing on the left base, keep your altitude. Runway 36 right, clear to land. Red square. The high wind coming over the top of the low wind coming left to right for runway 36 right.
Visual, Chinese room at 25.
T25 on the yellow dot. Mustangs, you're following the B25 on about a 1-mile final, runway 36 left, clear to land.
B25 blue, clear to land.
Power up at 410, and go recording, now hold the front. Got the report, over out. Todd's approaching the numbers.
Mustang flight got to be 25, cleared land.
RV type on the left base. Keep your altitude. Runway 36 right, clear land. Traffic to flight of 4 Mustangs on the right base. They're landing the left runway. You're landing on the right runway. RV runway on 36 right. Extract to the end, please. RV, again. The RV on the base. You're landing 36 right. The RV that's on 36 right, high speed all the way to the end, please. 2 Tango Foxtrot all the way to the end. Yes, the 2, put it down there on the green. I need you over the yellow, the green. I need you to hurry up all the way down to the end, please. Now, report word for Nile, request overhead. RV on 36 right, high speed taxi all the way down to the end of the runway. Somewhere report at 3500, what do you need? That was just maybe on right foot. It is requested the overhead down for Warburg Island. RV on the right, roll it all the way down to the runway, please, down to the runway. Everybody landing 36 right, you need a high-speed taxi all the way to the end. It's just a high-speed taxi all the way in. Once you cross that the tower, it just becomes a taxiway. High-speed taxi all the way in, please. Oshkosh Tower up at 410, East Tango, reporting Warburg. Epic, Roger, report at 3 mile final. 3 mile final, 0 to 10. Bulldogs off the island. Roger, report 3 mile final. Report 3 mile final for Bulldogs. Nice job, Cherokee. Thank you very much. You have blue taxi 30 again, we're going to back. All right, just left turn when you can. Slow wing on the right, stays runway 36 right, clear to land red square.
There you go. You put it how you want it back
Yeah,
there.
thank you. That is heavy. Yeah.
I said, watching all these people and I'm like,
Tail drag with the thunder tires, runway 36 left, clear to land yellow dot.
not big.
Clear to land 36 left.
Oh,
Epic
yeah.
left turn with April on the hard surface. For all of the only hard surface turn off today. 0 to 10. Maybe on flight of 2, Warburg Island. Navy on report 2 mile base runway 36 right. 2 mile base 36 right. Request 660 overhead. Navy on right here, report 660.
We're in the campground, but even just in the campground.
Yellow thunder tires, keep it airborne all the way to the yellow dot. Turco's 20, 3500, Fond du Lac. Second tail dragger, turning final right now, purple dot, clear to land, runway 36 left. Purple dot. Calling over Fond du Lac, report over Warbird Island. Turco's 20, report over Warbird Island. Thank you. Thunder tires, the first one is approaching the numbers, keep it flying, keep it flying, keep it flying for me. Yeah, I gotta slow it down at some point, we're good. 6 right, clear to land, red square.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's put down what it said.
Send to Highland, put it down right there. The first one, keep it flying for me. First thunder tower, the yellow one, keep it flying. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. There you go, and thunder tower on the first one, you can put it down there. Thank you very much. Tail dragger on the left base, runway 36 left, clear to land, yellow dot.
That's a ellipse.
Low wing on final right.
The short final, I got landing on 36 right on the red square, red square.
Red square.
Yep, keep it flying.
So no, he designed a whole bunch of airplanes.
Yellow tail dragger, next left turn on the hard surface. Thanks for your help. Coming up initial, you runway 36 right.
You know.
Clear to land, red square.
Oh, yeah.
High wing on the rollout, make left turn when able. Good. All right, and you got me there.